Welcome to 308 Percival Road. This is a 3-bedroom, 1 full bath, 2 half bath townhome in the Arborwood Townhome community in Northeast Columbia. It's just outside the gate to Fort Jackson, also convenient to I-20 and I-77 and other Northeast area amenities as well. So as we mentioned again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-story townhome. We're just inside the foyer. You can see there's some vinyl flooring down in the foyer, neutral paint colors throughout. This is the front door coming off the outside. Right inside the entryway as well, you do have just a small utility closet, which houses a few of your mechanical components, and then there's also a half bathroom conveniently located off of the foyer or the entry as well. So you have a single vanity and a commode in there. And then straight ahead here you have the living room, so nice open living room, open to the dining area on this side as well. And then our kitchen is over here, so it's a galley-style kitchen. You have some updated cabinets in here in gray, stainless steel appliances as well, an above-range microwave, smooth top, electric range, dishwasher, and then the refrigerator in the corner there. And then again out to the living area. The unit also has a sliding glass door and window out the back and a small enclosed yard space back here as well with some privacy fencing. And there's also a laundry area with a full-size washer and dryer connections in this area beneath the stairs going up. And then you have some extra storage there as well. We'll take a look at the second level now. It's where the bedrooms and the other 2 bathrooms are. So we're on the 2nd story landing. You see there's 2 bedrooms at the back of the unit here. They each have a similar closet, 2 large sliding doors. So it's basically double the space that you see the size of the doors are. There's a little alcove for some linen closet shelving there as well. And then you can see that roughly similar closet on the opposite side of the wall. And then you do have a full bathroom as well, single vanity, and a shower and tub. And then last but not least, the master bedroom, which faces the front of the unit. It has a balcony as well as 2 walk-in closets and a half bath. The balcony is here out to the front. It basically is right over the front door. So just some small outdoor space out here. You can probably fit a couple of chairs out there. And then the full bathroom, half bathroom with that single vanity, strip lighting, and a single commode in there. Then you have one of the 2 closets. And then the second one is a little bit larger, just a slightly different shape, as you see by the floor space. So that completes our tour of this 3-bedroom townhome unit in Northeast Columbia. Again, the address is 308 Percival Road. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.